We got Dash. Okay, so Dash is super bearish. Just like I was talking about how some of these currencies are bearish. Dash is definitely one of them. So delete this little mini zone here. You can see everything setting up on the month here. So delete this. I don't know why I have all these still. So we got lower lows, lower highs, so our structure is there. We are running into some resistance here. It's a pretty big major wick right here. So this is functioning as a resistance zone here. So, but I am still looking for a short position. Our range is roughly 30 bucks. Last month was very bearish, and it broke this whole area. So I mean, this is as low as it's been in a very long time. This is as low as it's ever been. Wow. So I think we're still good to short this. I think it just has to probably break this zone to be on the safe side. And then, I mean, as far as targets go, like last month it only moved 8 bucks, $18, $11. Yeah, so I mean, like maybe $10 down, which isn't really enough, I don't think, to be worthwhile. Well, possibly. Target the bottom of this wick. I mean, kind of right at 25 bucks. Might seem the most reasonable. I mean, it's within range. It's only 6 bucks out, and it usually moves double that every month. So could definitely do that, but you need it to break this zone to be on the safe side, which that zone's kind of big, but yeah, you can see we got lower lows here, so I think like the bearish structure might be here. It's just a little tough to tell. So like if you want to be on the super safe side, which I probably would be for this one, because there's no reason to force this trade. There's plenty of other trades to take that are much more you know, like reasonable, I'd say. So I would wait on this. I would wait for this to break this area and then target something like this. Your stop wouldn't have to be above this zone. Odds are this would create a little bit smaller of a zone as it gets down here, so you might shrink down a little bit to like this, and then that would be your potential trade. So, but I need price to come down. It's just rejecting too much here, and I would want it to break that level of support, or I guess resistance in this case, because it's going down. I would want it to break that, retest, and then enter and target, you know, the lowest this has ever been. I don't think there's anything really stopping it. I mean, there's this area, but yeah, I mean, that's worst case scenario. You can take your profit before. If it hits this area and starts to struggle, then just take your profit early. It's no big deal. But I do think this is a good short, and I do think you can get on it as soon as this area is broken. So that's Dash.